everyone, it is Nicole with Gator Metal Roofing. Thank you so much for tuning in to our channel where we talk about all things metal roofs, from installation to inspections to colors, a little bit of everything. We are your one-stop shop for all things metal, and we are here in Jacksonville, North Carolina with our #1 fan, Billy and his wife, Claudette. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
Thank you for being here with us.
Of course, and y'all, I gotta tell you why Billy is our #1 fan, because he likes every single one of our Facebook posts, which I do. And so every time your name pops up, it makes me smile. You told me a little bit. I know I won't go too much into your love story, but you guys met because of a roof.
That's right.
Can we expand just a little bit on it? Because I feel like roofing is now in your blood.
It is.
What's a brief little recap of your story?
A little recap. I think we had our first kiss under the edge of a roof. Yeah, that was 34 years ago, and we're about to celebrate our 33rd anniversary.
Super cute. And so before getting a metal roof, what was the previous condition of your roof like? What kind of made you start thinking about different alternatives?
Inside the home, we could see that there had been some previous water damage, and then looking at the roof, there's some ripples. And then when we bought our home a year and a half ago, we were told that it had been done in 2022. Come to find out that that was not the case at all.
Oh.
We knew that we're on the other side of 50 now, so when we're going to do a roof, we knew we wanted a metal roof. I truly believe this will be our last roof, but
Yes.
So why do it 2 or 3 more times when you can do it with just a metal roof?
Exactly. Words right out of my mouth. And we have that lifetime warranty. So anytime you have any leaks in the future or just anything, call us. We're like Ghostbusters and we'll be here.
Perfect.
How did you guys decide to pick on that specific color?
I think Brian came out and was showing us all the color specs, and then plus we have a lot of blue accents that we decided to go with a Hawaiian blue.
Matches the house.
It does match the house. And shout out to Brian, our boss. We love him. But no, it looks fantastic. Obviously, I'm a little biased because I have a bright blue car. It looks just super fresh and clean, and we love it.
And our 7-year-old granddaughter is really excited. She says, "Mommy, that looks like stitch blue," which is befitting. Hawaiian blue, yes, it would be stitch blue.
What are some of the major changes you've seen from your shingles that you had before and now your metal roof? Is it super loud? Have you noticed that during the North Carolina summers?
I wouldn't say it's super loud, but it's comforting. It's listening to the rain hit the roof. It's almost like a moment.
Yeah, we've heard that a lot today. It's very much like kind of ASMR. Have you noticed the energy be cooler, feel just cooler in your house altogether, especially because it's been a hot summer?
Absolutely. So we do flex pay with our electricity, so that way we're always prepaying. So every day they send us a balance of what it is. So in comparison, prior to we were having like $13 days, and now even though we're having those extremely high temperatures, we're down down to $9 and $10 days, which might not seem like a significant difference, but if you take 30 times 4, yes.
In the long run,
absolutely.
100%.
So we're absolutely seeing a difference.
And that's something we try to explain to people, kind of just in seeing the long-term investment. Yes, it's more money up front, but over time you are saving money, whether it is not having to worry about shingles and replacing and just the wear and tear and just the stress of it on top of energy and just saving it that way as well.
Absolutely.
And how has it been working with our team from start to finish?
I think it was Jamal when we first talked to, the very first phone call we made. He was fantastic. Brian came out and did his spiel, and for him to find an affordable program for us to be able to get a new roof was phenomenal. And then the team that came out, we had so much fun. We pulled up chairs out here and watched the men work up on top, and it was...
That's cool.
It was fantastic, and they were so kind, and they cleaned up after themselves. It was spotless when they left. It was phenomenal.
I love that. That's really good to hear. Do you have any advice for someone who may watch this who maybe they're kind of on the fence about investing in a metal roof? What would you tell them?
It is absolutely worth the investment, because at the end of the day, it is an investment. You're protecting your insides, the outside, you're protecting the bones of your home. And if you're only going to do it one time, why not go with a metal roof? And then you have the aesthetics of listening again to the rain on the roof and this energy savings. Why wouldn't you go that way?
See what the storm's going to do this week with it.
Knock on wood if I had wood around here.
Right.
I mean, I guess there's a lot of peace of mind when storms do come in. Again, that you don't have to worry about your roof basically collapsing. Like there's just a lot of peace of mind besides the durability of our materials, just knowing that, you know, like you said, your home is going to be protected overall.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, Claudette, Billy, thank you guys so much for joining us today. It was great meeting you, meeting our #1 fan. Absolutely love it. Y'all, again, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you here next time.
Bye.
So get off your asphalt and call Gator Metal Roofing.